Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable caching for specific pages on Cloudflare, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Cloudflare account. Select the website you wish to configure. Navigate to the caching tab located in the dashboard. In the caching section, locate the Page Rules option. Click on Create Page Rule to begin setting up a new rule. Enter the URL of the specific page you want to disable caching for. Use the asterisk wildcard if you want to cover multiple pages. Once the URL is entered, select the cache level setting. From the drop-down menu, choose Bypass. This will prevent Cloudflare from caching the selected page. Next, click on Save and Deploy to activate your new page rule. You can create additional page rules for other URLs if needed. After deploying, check the status of the page rule. Ensure that it appears in your list of page rules. Test the page in your browser to confirm that caching is disabled. Clear your browser cache if necessary to see the changes. Monitor the page for performance to ensure it meets your needs. That's the complete process for disabling caching on specific pages with Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.